Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to use group channel tracks. And the benefits of using a group channel track are that it can save on computer usage, RAM and things like that. And also it means that you can just put one effect on multiple channels. And I'll show you how to do that. If I just play this track that I've put together. It's just a basic electronic piece. And what I'll do is I'll add a group channel track by right clicking on this track list and I'll go add group channel track, and then that creates this little window where you can name the channel. So I'll put group channel, and in this case we want it as a stereo track. So that now creates this group channel track, and what we need to do is tell I'm going to put the effects on the organ and the lead synth. So we need to tell these two channels to go directly to this group channel track. So if I open up the mixer, we've got this group channel track here. I'll just colour it so it's easy to see. And on this organ track we need to set the routing. So if you click on the routing at the top and then go to where it says stereo out, you can select that we want to send it to the group's channel track. So we click on that and we'll do the same for lead synth. And basically what this does, instead of going directly to the stereo out, what we're doing is sending it to this group channel track, and then that group channel track is going to the stereo out. So that means that we can now control these two tracks just by using this fader, and I'll show you that. I'll just press play. You can hear that the organ and that lead synth is now, there's no volume at all. Right, so now let's try putting a bit of automation on that. So let's say we want these two tracks to fade in up to this point. Because they're on this group channel track, we can just automate this group channel. So if I click read, and then we'll put the volume, it's already set to volume, so I'll just set this to fade in. And that should now do that. Right, if I solo this group channel track, and I'll put some effects on this now, instead of, like say we want a reverb on it, instead of putting a reverb on both channels, which would use up computer memory and things like that, all we need to do is put it onto this group channel track. So that's on both the organ and the lead synth. I'll just turn that volume down a little bit on that. Okay, so let's listen to that. So we've got no effects on these channels at all. You can see the automation on the group channel fading in them tracks. And we've got the reverb working as well. So using this way you can see how you can save computer usage, because we're only inserting one effects track, so one effect rather than two. So we've already halved the computer usage on that effect. And that's pretty much it. You can add, if I wanted to, I could go back into the mixer and I could add all of these tracks to the group's channel. So then they'll all have them same effect, so it'll fade in. And they've all got that reverb effect on as well. that's pretty much it. You can create group channels for lots of different things. Like when I create orchestral pieces, what I do is I group all of the strings together, and I group the brass together, I group the percussion together. There's all as different group channels, and then I can control them, and it's a lot easier to mix when you come into the mixing stage. You can mix the percussion a lot better, you can mix the strings, you can mix the brass, rather than trying to get the levels for each individual instrument. So if you like this video and it's helped in any way, then please click that like button and subscribe for more content. I'm on my way to 1,000 subscribers. I'm trying to reach 1,000 by the end of this year, so please hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.